So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today. His name is Ash Gurang, and she's from Nepal. And we have Kiran Gurang. She's from Nepal, and his son would be speaking because Kiran is very much comfortable in Nepali, and I really appreciate that. And her age is 66. She is from Pokhara state, Gandaki, Nepal. So I just want to throw light, with your permission, that what disease they were suffering from, and the disease that I've been informed, she was having multiple lipoma from 7 years, and she's completely reversed, no lipomas now. She was obese from 10 years. She has lost 12 kgs in 3 months. She had heart-related problem, tachycardia, which has been completely reversed. Blood pressure, she was taking medicines from 10 years, which is 100% reversed now. Bone pain throughout the body due to multiple fractures in childhood, accident, no pain, no more pain till now. Joint stiffness reversed, energy level has increased, dry eyes reversed, dull face improved. So past history, paralyzed attack 10 years ago, spinal cord surgery 25 years ago, one lipoma operated 7 months back, and her BP medication, her blood thinners, her heart medication, and her hearing issue has been completely all the medicines gone. And this has been done by the angel coach Abhipsa Das from Odisha. So I'll start from Kiran. Kiran, if you can please unmute yourself and your son. Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, hi, hi,
Hi
Ash.
everyone. Mommy, hi.
Hi.
Yes,
Hi,
over to you.
Kiran.
How has been your journey? So I think
Yeah, sorry.
yeah.
Yeah, go
Please
ahead.
continue. Please continue. Please continue.
Yeah, so actually my journey's been like, it's like incredible actually. When I signed up for for your course, like, I was in India actually. So I was in India for a few years. So I was working there. So I just saw your post somewhere, I think on Instagram or Facebook. So usually, actually, I studied. The reason I joined your course because like it was for me, for myself, because I'm a bit paranoid when it comes to health. Because usually, like I don't have any issues, but just generally, I'm just very like concerned about my health because I don't want to be taking any kind of medication for future. So pretty much I live a very healthy life. Like I'm kind of almost vegan, and I used to work out regularly. So and the kind of habit I have is like whenever I get even like a little sick, like I just get scared.
Hmm.
So I think that's the little OCD I have. But apart from that, when I started your course, then later actually I came to know like that you have like gold another, sorry, what do you call
Go,
it?
Gold Pro. Yeah.
Gold program and all that, yeah. So that's when actually, because I was not taking any kind of medications and other things, but I was health wise, touch wood, I was absolutely fine. But then I got to know a lot of information, then I was just curious. That's when I thought like then it'll be great actually if my mom will come into the picture, because like at that time I was in Nepal. Recently, it's been 6 7 months I came to Nepal. So I was with my mom, and she's been taking like so many medications, like for blood pressure, heart. I don't know what all medication. Like whenever she used to go to the hospital, like the doctor used to give so much medicines. I just used to find it insane. But I used to feel like kind of like helpless as well, because like there's nothing I can do, right? Because 10 years ago she had a paralysis attack, so that's when she was in ICU. We always tried to like we always tried like not to take medicine, any kind of medications, but when she had a paralysis attack, like then when she was admitted in ICU, then we didn't have a choice, because the doctor said like you have to do it, otherwise there will be some issues in future. So that's how we started the medication journey, and she's been taking medication. She was taking medication since like 10 years. So yeah, but after this course, like like the gold membership, like and with the help of our coach that was given to us, provided to us, like I was really, I didn't have much hope, because I had no idea about all this naturopath and all that. But surprisingly, like just been I think almost 3 months now, and she's got rid of whatever medicine she used to take, like the blood pressure, the blood thinner, and for the heart, So I'm so grateful. I have no idea like how grateful I am, because especially I really care for my mom, and she always used to be like really concerned, but I could see her like that um, this medication is not doing any good, actually, the allopathic medicines, because it is actually only like just kind of like so just like temporarily like fixing the issue, solving the issue, but actually it's not fixing it. It's just
Yes.
like because what I realized was like 10 years ago she started taking medications, but over the time, like the complications, it's like the blood
Mm.
pressure is always there, but it's never gone. But over the time, like there's like after maybe another 5 years, like there's another issue, like she used to have earlier she used to have only like blood pressure issue. Later she used to have like the heart used to like heavy breathing, and whenever she used to go for a walk, or sometimes she used to like her heart used to like beat really fast. She used to feel like
Mm.
it's like the heart is pounding. So yeah, so apart from after the course, like she got rid of all the medicines, and uh, it's actually quite I find it like really fascinating, like the how it's been done,
Yes.
and she's really happy actually. She has lost a lot of weight. She looks very small now.
Can you
About
can you ask her to say something and you can translate that? Yeah.
yeah. No, she knows, because we were raised in. I was raised in India, so she knows
Okay.
a little bit of Hindi.
Please, if
She
you can.
knows a lot of Hindi, so mommy, so she can speak a little bit, but not very comfortable because she's been living in
No
Nepal since
problem.
very long.
No problem.
So मम्मी तपाईँ के भयो भन्नुहोस् न, अरू अलिकति जे पनि हुन्छ भन्नुहोस् न।
के भन्ने हिन्दी बोल्छ
हिन्दी त बोल्छ, इन्डिया हो।
हो
या
इङ्ग्लिस त बुझ्दैन
इङ्ग्लिस त बुझ्दैन, तपाईँलाई पनि कहाँ बोल्न आउँछ।
अँ,
हिन्दीमा भन्नु न जे भन्न सक्नु।
के भन्ने म राम्रो भयो भने
तपाईँलाई पहिला के प्रब्लमहरू थियो, फेरि के
ए
भयो भनेर
अब राम्रोसँग भन्न नि आउनु त
केही त भन्नुहोस् न। She's like really shy. She's a really shy person.
She's happy.
केही त भन्नुहोस्
She's
न।
happy. Yeah.
या अलिकति लाइन त केही त भन्नुहोस् न।
के भन्ने
तपाईँलाई पहिला के भएको थियो
ए
भनेर भन्नु न।
के भन्छ मुटुकोलाई के भन्छ त्यही भन्छ
दिल दिल
दिल के भन्ने खै हिन्दी पनि राम्रोसँग आन्न
हिन्दी अलिकति
हिन्दी भी अच्छे से नहीं आता है ना मेरा को
कोई बात नहीं। आप खुश हैं? आप खुश हैं ट्रीटमेंट से?
हाँ अभी पहले से अभी बहुत ठीक है। पहले तो इस चलने का टाइम में मेरा दिल है ना, ये दिल का थोड़ा धड़कन के भने धड़कन ना ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है ना। फिर खड़ा होने का टाइम में भी, बर्तन साफ करने का टाइम में और ठक 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 आवाज आता है ना। अभी तो ठीक है, सब ठीक है। अभी तो प्रेशर भी ठीक हो गया, अभी मुटु को धड़कन भी ठीक है। के भन्ने रे अब वेट भी कम हो गया। पहले तो कितना 74 केजी था, अभी तो 54 हो गया।
बहुत बढ़िया।
फिर बहुत पतला हो गया अभी तो।
वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।
अभी तो ठीक है, सब ठीक हो गया सर। मैं अभी तो दवाई भी नहीं खाया 1 महीना, कति भयो रे 1 महीना 1.5 महीना हो गया, दवाई भी सब बंद कर दिया। ठीक है अभी तो।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको सुन के, बहुत अच्छा लगा। ऐसे आप रहेंगे हमेशा। आपको बहुत अच्छा, आपके बेटे हैं, राइट। चलिए अभिप्सा के पास आते हैं। अभिप्सा, हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी विद Ash and Kiran? Over to you.
Yes.
अभी तो ठीक है, अच्छा हो गया।
So
yes,
so much for giving me this opportunity. Good evening to everyone and namaste to Ash ji. आज यहम भयकोमा धन्यवादम।
अरे वाह।
It's in her language.
Very nice.
Yeah. So coming to Ashji and Kiran, I would say both of them have really enjoyed this journey. In the very first meeting, she mentioned, ma'am, can we just shift the scheduling of our treatment? Means we want to delay it by 1 or 2 months. I asked why? What's the reason? Because at that time only I had returned from Nepal. She was the first client who was assigned to me. Then I felt, oh, that's somewhat kind of miraculous happening.
Yes.
So I asked the reason, and he mentioned that my mom has been operated with lipoma, few lipomas, and few more are still there. So doctor have suggested to be under doctor's guidance for few months, 1 or 2 months. Then I told, okay, you can rest for 1 or 2 months. Then after that, we can start the journey.
Right.
And I requested both of them. Why are you thinking that lipoma can only be operated? Can you give me the chance to heal it naturally? Eradicate it naturally? Then both of them thought that, oh, through naturopathy, this can also be done. That's great. We would like to move ahead. Whatever you will tell, we will do. And this is the spirit, the high spirit, the positive mindset and everything. And I would like to say that Ashji is a senior citizen. And changing the minds of senior citizens is quite very difficult.
Kiranji is a senior citizen.
No.
Kiran is a son.
Son, yeah.
Okay.
So Ashji is senior citizen, and changing the minds of senior citizen is quite difficult, right? In most of the cases. But she was like, yeah, Vipsha, I do have 100% trust on you. I don't know what is naturopathy. This is for the first time I am listening this term. But I will do whatever you will say. That's
surrendering, 100%.
Surrender.
Amazing.
100% they have surrendered. And Kiran is a working professional. He goes to his office and still then maintaining a very busy lifestyle. Even he was also in direct contact with me in changing his mother's lifestyle.
Amazing.
So a lot of thanks to Kiran also. Hats off to you, Ashji, for getting blessed with such a wonderful son.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abhipsa. Thank you so much, Kiran. Thank you so much, Ashji. Everybody just type MPTY in the chat box. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.